National Weather Service in Lincoln has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Woodford County in central Illinois, northern McLean County in central Illinois, until 11 a.m. At 9:54 a.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Benton to near Goodfield, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Severe thunderstorms will be near Minong, Carlock, Congerville, Benson, and Secker around 10 a.m. El Paso around 10:05 a.m. Hudson around 10:10 a.m. Other locations in the path of these severe thunderstorms include Gridley, Lexington, and Chenoa. This includes the following highways: Interstate 39 between mile markers 5 and 28. Interstate 55 between mile markers 175 and 187. Interstate 74 between mile markers 110 and 119. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 3 p.m. for